Should I? It was nice to know you, Toria. That's so bad. What? This is Elena. Say hi to Elena. Ang kaluoy sa ito, uy. Hi! Ako ra usa, og actually, di jud ko maayo ani like kung ako rasa. So, pasensya lang. We decided na mahimo ming Filipino barbecue. Kabalo na ko maghimong Filipino barbecue. Kay, actually, sa among balay, when magluto ming Filipino food, kasagaran ako magluto. Dili si Lena, that's why kinanglan siya recipe. Ako di ko kinanglan recipe. Di dyo na Pinoy mag-measure, ana. So, di dyo ko mag-measure. First off, pag tanaw na ako sa mga ingredients, I don't have everything. So, nag-atuwi sa store, ako si Lena. Padulong na mi sa store. Nagpalit ko og tubot sa baboy, Sprite.
We put it back.
So we can get it.
Pagbalik na mo, naghimo milk marinade. Nag-cut ko sa pork butt. Go.
So sharp.
Things na naa sa marinade guys. Sugar.
Looks and smells really good. Also, she's spilling it all over the counter.
So, pork butt, nice soy sauce, obviously, nice Sprite.
We also have Mom over here who's gonna be cooking pizza for dinner. That's good. That's good.
Kasagaran, di jud ko mag-measure, oy. Pero, para
For
sa
the
YouTube,
video.
measure with your heart, kasagaran.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nice salt, pepper. Naggamit mi like kanang lime juice.
Dili kalamansi, pero
Sige na lang. It's still a meat. Nakadungog ka sa kumbata. Uy! I have a lime juice in my dili.
Tagak!
Yeah,
Nagkuha sa spicy.
I like calamansi today. So lime ang close, like it's still citrus. So nagamit mi ana lime juice. Murag naa pa pero kalimot na ko like unsa jud akong gibutang.
Hi, Elena here. I'm editing. Nagbutang po siya og garlic and vinegar.
Of course, kabalo mo nag-try jud ko sa marinade.
She just ate.
No, you dip your
No!
Kinahanglan jud magtilaw kay basta hindi lami.
Should I? It was nice to know you, Toria. That's so bad. What?
Grabe ka labi kabalo mo like Filipino like kanang gamit sa ilang mga pinky finger, your little finger, and then magtilaw ka. Ang tao nagtudlo na ko maghimong barbecue sa Philippines. Kay nagtudlo po na ako, ana. Actually, pagbata na ako, akong igsoon, akong mama, ganan sila magluto together. So, naay ka ng tao nag-live next door sa among balay. Iyang pangan kay si Pastor Albert. And siya nagtudlo na ako magluto like kanang tanan Filipino food. Iyang asawa po nagtudlo na ako saan maghimong Filipino spaghetti, ana. So, si Pastor Albert nagtudlo na ako saan pag-grill or kanang maghimong isda, ana. So, nag-try ko sa marinade and then nagbutang mi sa fridge. So, muna akong gibutang sa akong marinade. The next day, himo ko sa banana ketchup.
Dayon nagput siya sa meat on the bamboo sticks.
Ato ko nag-heat up ko sa grill. And it's actually like kanang propane grill. So, grabe ka nice ang grill. Actually, nag-ask ko sa akong brother kay ako mag-use man kong charcoal.
What's the problem?
Well, I'm not used to cooking on a big grill. I usually cook on like this tiny little one.
Well, what are you trying to do?
I can't put it like
No, can't put it
Because the sticks will burn.
Yeah.
But I can't put it like this either. It'll fall through the grate.
Okay, well then put it up top and heat up your grill inside the grill to a hotter temperature.
So, nagtudlo ako ng igsoon ako. So, nakahimo ko sa barbecue. Nagbutang ko sa barbecue. Akong i-brush on one side and then the other side. Then I would flip.
It smells like Filipino barbecue.
And then, pinaka-best part, when mana na ang barbecue, nagkaon.
What do you think? Oh, it's like heaven. I thought you were gonna say it tastes like home.
Yeah, it tastes like home too.
Say hi, puppy.
And of course, naghimo mi og rice. Of course. Ah, grabe kalami. As in, and then, actually, naghimo pod ko og pork chops para nice spread. Spread. Listen, as in, murag jud Pinoy barbecue. Murag nagbalik ko sa Philippines. Every bite, murag na ako sa Philippines. Like, ah!
It's delicious.
Babe.
So, grabe kalami. And I think my whole family nag-enjoy just sa barbecue.
Do you like it, Dad?
Let me.
That's the first time nagluto ko in America barbecue para sa akong igsoon. And then nag-ingon siya,
Now, karon every time mag-come up ko to Victoria, mag-request ko niya, please make me Filipino barbecue. So good.
but if you guys want to see more videos like this, or more cooking videos from me, or ganan mo og recipe, I can make it in English too. So, maybe para sa mga Americans, if they want to make Filipino food, I can make it in English. That way Americans can watch it too. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, guys. And kabalo mo, grabe dyan di ka-awkward para na ako. But I hope it was okay. So, comment below if you want to see more cooking videos or anything like that. Salamat! Bye!